Imagine a phone that can handle everything: smooth gaming, photography, and long-lasting battery life, all for just $229. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro promises just that and more. Let's break down if it lives up to the hype. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Infinix Hot 60 Pro. This phone packs a lot of power and features, but does it deliver? Stay tuned as we dive into its specs and real-world performance. First, let's talk about the design. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro offers a sleek, modern look with a 6.78-inch display that almost covers the whole front of the phone. The body is made of plastic, both at the front and the back, but it still feels solid in your hands. However, it's not water-resistant, so you'll want to be cautious around water. It features a punch-hole design for the front camera, which allows for a full-screen experience. The phone feels lightweight despite its large display. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner is also very convenient and easy to access, making unlocking the phone quick and smooth. Overall, the design is practical and functional but not necessarily flashy. When it comes to the display, with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and a pixel density of 373 ppi, the display is clear, vibrant, and perfect for watching videos, browsing, or playing games. However, it doesn't come with any special display protection, so if you're clumsy, a screen protector might be a good idea. Despite that, the large screen size and the 20:9 aspect ratio ensure an immersive experience, whether you're scrolling through social media or enjoying a movie. You also get multi-touch support, making it easy to interact with multiple apps at once. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro comes with a powerful 50MP AI dual camera setup on the back. This allows for incredible clarity, whether you're capturing landscapes or close-up shots. The camera system also supports advanced features like night filters, super nightscape, ultra mode, and panorama mode, which means you'll get clear, detailed photos even in low light. For those who love selfies, the 32MP front camera is impressive. It takes detailed, crisp photos, and with features like portrait mode and HDR, your selfies will look great in almost any lighting condition. When it comes to video, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro doesn't disappoint either. It can record up to 4K video resolution, allowing you to capture your moments in great detail. Whether you're shooting vlogs or recording memories, the camera's video quality will not let you down. Under the hood, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6080 chipset. Paired with 8GB of RAM, this phone performs smoothly whether you're browsing the web, multitasking, or gaming. It runs on Android 15 with the Realme UI, offering a user-friendly interface with minimal bloatware. Storage-wise, the Hot 60 Pro has up to 256GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for most users. If you find yourself running low on space, you can expand it with a microSD card up to 1 TB. This makes the phone ideal for people who store a lot of photos, videos, and apps. One of the biggest selling points of the Infinix Hot 60 Pro is its massive 7000 mAh battery. This phone will last you through an entire day of heavy usage, and even longer if you use it moderately. Whether you're gaming, browsing, or watching videos, the battery will have your back. The 68W fast charging feature is another highlight. With just a short charging session, you can quickly power up your phone. Plus, it supports 15W wireless charging, which is a nice touch for those who prefer a cable-free charging experience. In terms of connectivity, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro supports 5G, along with 2G, 3G, and 4G networks, so you'll be ready for faster speeds when 5G networks become more widespread. It also supports Bluetooth 5.1, so you can connect to a wide range of devices, and Wi-Fi Direct for faster file transfers. As for security, you're covered with both face unlock and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Both methods are quick and reliable, giving you peace of mind knowing your phone is secure. The audio experience is solid, with support for MP3, MIDI, WAV, and AMR playback. The phone also comes with an FM radio, which is a nice bonus for those who enjoy listening to radio stations. The built-in loudspeakers provide clear sound, and there's even a 3.5mm headphone jack for those who prefer wired headphones. To sum it up, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro is a great option for anyone looking for a high-performance phone at an affordable price. With its large, high-quality display, powerful cameras, long-lasting battery, and fast charging, it's clear that Infinix has packed a lot of value into this device. At just $229, it's a solid contender in the budget smartphone market. Whether you're a gamer, photographer, or someone who just needs a reliable phone for everyday use, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro is worth considering. That's all for today's review of the Infinix Hot 60 Pro. If you're interested in picking one up, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.